Good day, ladies and gentlemen. For today's topics, we have single discount and series of discounts. So let's start first with single discount. Let's take a look at our formula first. P equals BR, which stands for percentage equals base times rate, which we have discount equals list price times discount rate. So for example, compute the discount for an item with a list price of 1,250 riyals subject to a 15% discount. What is the net invoice price? So let's start first with our given. List price equals 1,250 riyals. Discount rate equals 15%. And for our solution, we have discount equals list price times discount rate. So we start by timesing 1,250 riyals by 15%, which will give us 187.50 riyals. And then for the net invoice price, we have list price minus discount rate. So 1,250 riyals minus 187.50 riyals, which will give us 1,062.50 riyals. And now let's proceed to series of discounts. In certain instances, a seller grants additional discounts other than the discounts ordinarily given by him or her. For instance, aside from the regular 10% discount, a seller might grant a special discount of 5%. The series of discounts is therefore 10% and 5%. This is not, however, equivalent to 15%, as we shall see later in the examples. So for our first example, we have compute for the discount and the net invoice price. If an item listed at 1,250 riyals is given a 10% and 5% discount. So let's start first with our given. We have list price, which equals 1,250 riyals. And for our discount rates, we have 10% and 5%. So all we need to find is the discount and the net invoice price. So for our solution, we have list price at 1,250 riyals less 10%, which will give us 1,250 riyals times 10%, which will give us 125 riyals. So the difference is 1,125 riyals. And then less 5%, which will give us 1,125 riyals times 5%, which is going to equal to 56.25 riyals. And lastly, for the net invoice price, we have 1,068.75 riyals. Our total discount is equal to the first discount plus the second discount. So our total discount is going to be 125 riyals plus 56.25 riyals, which will give us 181.25 riyals. I hope you liked the video and found it interesting. Please leave a subscribe button and thank you for watching.